Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Instagram account tied to Threads. Once that's done, open the Threads app so you can act directly. You do this because the removal options appear in the app and in Instagram's connected account settings. Make sure you save any messages or screenshots you need. Once you've backed up, navigate to your profile inside Threads and tap Settings to reveal account management options. This gets you immediately into the interface where you can remove or unlink threads. Now you will unlink and delete the Threads connection to Instagram. In Threads, choose Delete Account or Log Out and Follow prompts. This severs the active app link. Then open Instagram, go to Settings, Accounts, and remove Threads under Linked or Connected Apps to ensure it won't auto-reconnect. Make sure to also check Meta Account Center for any lingering Threads link and remove it. This is important because Account Center can silently restore connections if you skip it. Finish by uninstalling the Threads app and clearing Instagram's cache or app data so remnants won't persist. After uninstall, revoke camera, microphone, and account permissions for Threads on your device and confirm no link remains in Meta Account Center. If Threads still shows up, log out of Instagram on all devices, reinstall Threads only to repeat the deletion steps, then uninstall again. If that fails, contact Instagram support. Provide account details and timestamps so they can remove lingering links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.